Waxing is Africa's hottest beauty trend in 2020 for the reasons behind waxing's rising popularity, including cultural shifts, growing beauty awareness, and social media influence. Top 5 African cities leading the waxing. Cities like Lagos, Nairobi, Johannesburg, and others where waxing services are booming, showcasing unique trends in each location. The rise of organic waxing in Africa. Need to know. The increasing demand for natural, chemical-free waxing options using African-sourced ingredients like shea butter and honey. African entrepreneurs redefining waxing services in 2024. Profile African-owned waxing salons and brands creating innovative, culturally relevant services for their clientele. Waxing versus traditional hair removal methods. Why Africa is embracing the change. Waxing with traditional practices like sugaring, shaving, or threading, and explain why waxing is becoming the preferred choice. Top 5 African waxing brands to watch in 2024. Emerging African waxing product brands offering locally made and sustainable waxing solutions. Men join the trend. Growing popularity of male waxing in Africa. The rise of male grooming services and why African men are increasingly opting for waxing to stay polished and professional. From markets to salons, the accessibility of waxing across Africa. How waxing services are being offered at all levels, from high-end salons to more affordable, informal setups in local markets. Top 10 waxing styles trending in Africa. The most requested waxing styles in Africa, including the Brazilian, Hollywood, and customized cultural patterns. 5 challenges African waxing salons face and how they're overcoming them. Product availability, training, and pricing, and how African businesses are innovating to overcome these hurdles. The role of social media in Africa's waxing craze. How platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube have fueled waxing trends across the continent. DIY waxing kits and popularity in Africa. The growing market for at-home waxing kits and highlight products tailored to African consumers. Cultural on waxing across Africa's. Dive into the differing views on body hair and hair removal among Africa's diverse cultures and how waxing fits into modern practices. Is waxing safe for all skin types? What Africans should know. Expert advice on waxing for various African skin tones and types, including tips for sensitive skin and preventing ingrown hairs. The evolution of waxing, from luxury service to everyday routine in Africa. The journey of waxing from being a niche service to a widely adopted practice in African urban centers. 5 unique ingredients used in African waxing products. Local ingredients like moringa, baobab oil, and aloe vera being incorporated into African-made waxing products. Waxing on a budget. Affordable options for African consumers. Tips for finding affordable waxing services and products without compromising on quality. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.